Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is the Rusty Bartender, and today we're going to find out what is Amaro Nonino. This is my new series where we're going to talk about Amaros. Where do they come from? What do they taste like? What are they made of? I'm a beginner, so let's find out together. So basically, my knowledge of this is that it's an Amaro, and that's as far as it goes. So let's find out a little bit more. So a quick Google search tells you that this is a bittersweet liqueur based on aged grappa infused with roots and herbs, according to the Nonino family recipe that includes thyme, quinine bark, gentian root, and wormwood. So it's an Italian herbal liqueur, basically. I do know that this is traditionally served as a digestif after dinner. It's 35% ABV, so it's actually got a bit of punch to it. So I'm going to taste it without ice, and then I'm going to taste it with ice just to see if there's any difference. See if the ice brings out some flavors. So appearance-wise, it's kind of like a copper color, coppery brown. Not unlike many whiskeys you see. Well, let's give it a little taste. Come on, Amari. Ooh. Ooh. On the palate, it's actually quite sweet. Don't know if I'm getting any thyme or anything, but on the tongue, it has this like sort of menthol sort of feeling. You know, whenever you suck a mint and you get that coolness in your mouth when it evaporates? That's what's going on here. It like coats your tongue and then you get that coolness happening. I actually quite like that. Let's add some ice, see what happens. Just a couple of cubes. See what's going on. Really more enjoyable over some ice. Get a lot of flavors coming through. It's actually hard to describe. There's lots of, it's very herbal, which is silly. I don't know, I'm getting a kind of tangerine flavor coming from it as well. There you go, folks. Amaro Nonino, a herbal liqueur. It's sweet, very herbally. Has a bit of a menthol thing going on your tongue. It is delicious in all the cocktails that I've tried so far. Would I drink this straight? Maybe if you're at somebody's house and they offer you after dinner, definitely take some. Anyway, join us next time and we will be trying Chinar Amaro. Chinar, Chinar, Chinar.